To my channel. We are still working on plane figures with equal areas, and I have a question here that says that construct a triangle whose area is the same as a rectangle of sides 120 millimeters by 80 millimeters. The base of the triangle will be 120 millimeters. Let me take the question again. Construct a triangle whose area is the same as a rectangle of sides 120 millimeters by 80 millimeters. The base of triangle will be 120 millimeters. That is the question that we are going to be working on. We want to construct a triangle that is equal in area to this given rectangle of sides 120 millimeters by 80 millimeters. So let's see how this can be done. So what we are going to do first is to draw a horizontal line. So here I have this horizontal line, and on this horizontal line I'm going to take a measurement of 120 millimeters. 120 millimeters. So we start from here. So here we have this is the 0 point, and then I'm going to this is 120 millimeters. So I'm going to label this point. So this point is point A here, and then so here we have this to be point B. Okay, so we have this to point B, 120 millimeters, and then we are going to erect a perpendicular line at this point B here. So for us to erect a perpendicular line at point B, so we need to put the pinpoint of our compass here at point B, and we extend the pinpoint to a convenient radius. We draw a semicircle like this. So we draw a semicircle like this at this point. Then we are going to bisect this semicircle. That is 180 by 2, which is going to give us 90 on both sides. So extend the pinpoint to a convenient radius. So draw an arc like this. Okay, then bring the pinpoint here, and then so draw an arc here like this. Okay, then we are going to draw a line, so from point B through the point of intersection of the arcs, for us to have a line that is at a right angle to line AB. So we have it like this. Okay, so we have a line like this. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do, we are constructing the given rectangle. So the length of the rectangle is 120 millimeters, that is AB, while the width is 80 millimeters. So what we are to do now is that we are going to take a measurement of 80 millimeters on the ruler. So here I have 80 millimeters. Okay, I send my pen, okay, to this point on the ruler. So taking 80 millimeters. So this is 80 millimeters here. I'll put the pinpoint of the compass here at point B here and make an arc on this line like this. Okay, then I'll bring it here. So putting it at this point A, and then with the same radius I will draw an arc like this. All right, so we have this now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to draw a line, so a vertical line at point A to touch the arc. So draw a vertical line at point A to touch the arc like this. Okay, then we can now join these 2 points together. So if this is point C, okay, and then here we have this point to the point D. So I'm going to join these 2 points together to form the given rectangle of length 120 millimeters and the width is 80 millimeters. So here we have the rectangle. All right, so having done this, the next thing that we are going to do is to go on and draw a triangle that will be equal in area to this rectangle. So what we have to do is that we are going to extend this line. So we extend this line, take it up like this. Okay, then we are going to take a measurement of 80 millimeters. That is this length BC, which is also 80 millimeters. So we take 80 millimeters from here, that is length BC, and then so we put the pinpoint here at point C, and then we make an arc here like this. Okay, so we make an arc here. So this point here I will call it, so this is point E here. Okay, this is point E, and then we have that CE is equal to BC. So let's take note of that. So then, as we are told that the base of triangle is the base 120 millimeters of the rectangle, so what we are to do is that we are going to join these 2 points together. So we are joining these 2 points together. So I can't use so I need something that is a bit longer than that ruler. So I'm going to try this set square. Okay, so this will work. So what we are just going to do is that we are joining these 2 points. We are joining them together. So we join point A and point E together to form the triangle. So when I draw like this, so the triangle is already formed. So I want to make this line BE. I want to make it a thick line so that we can see the required triangle that is equal in area to the given rectangle. And then this base, so we also make it a thick line from point A to this end B here. So we have this now. So the triangle whose area is equal to the area of the given rectangle is triangle ABE. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at this work. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.